So hi everybody, a very good evening. Oh my God, क्या coincidence है. Honestly speaking, I didn't realize the time is 4:20. So 420, India Standard Time. I'm Jasin Kapani, the founder and CEO of I'm Decor Design. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions. So how's the day been? Hope all good and hope all great, and hope you're all keeping in good spirit. Well, I've been taking it easy because with the weather and everything, waking up with headaches and stuff like that. So kind of relaxing and working from wherever. Work must happen, but I'm not in any race. I'm not in any hurry to finish or whatever I'm doing. I'm not in a dynamic or a competitive environment as well. I'm just in my own personal space. So take a look at this wallpaper. I thought, since I've been sharing so actively on wallpapers and stuff like that, this is something which I did recently. And while I was picking this up and stuff, I realized that this looks like something which is painted, and Flora is in, premium designs are in, nature is beautiful, and it has positive energy and stuff. I picked this up because what I professionally and personally believe in is that, when you have something coming into your house, you have to buy it from a point of view where you can look at it for a number of years and stuff. If you're going to be in your own house, in your own space, a good tip for interior design and positive energy is to choose something which you can see. Like I said, think in your head, how many numbers of years can you see this, how important is the space, how important is the room, how many years are you going to be living there, what kind of a furniture, what kind of ambience you want to create and everything. Are you fond of nature, are you fond of flowers? So you get that indoors and stuff like that. And even when you're not out and stuff, and you're sitting in a quiet space, or if you're sitting in a happening space and stuff like that, you kind of connected with something which you're really fond of. I do have a heart or a mind to change this and stuff at times when I get let's say a little bored, or I'm just kind of, I feel I've had too much of it. So what do I do? So there are wallpapers, and paint is something which you cannot kind of change every second day and stuff. So what do you do in that case? So in that case, what you do is you play around with the lighting. So what I did was, I got a special light which has about 3 to 4 tones of light in it. So in the morning, when the light is less and I want to feel like in my office or in my workspace or in a nicely lit up space and stuff, I've got this white light and stuff happening. And in the night, when I want to kind of feel as if I'm in a classier place or something like that, I kind of tune into this. So you could do this too, and then what happens is, I also realized that since my space is a little small, so when I was doing this up, I was thinking, what is it that will kind of make